Alrighty, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel tonight, and thank you for stopping by. It is getting kind of late, so let's try to get this part done as quick as possible. Anyways, I've got a spicy little video for you guys right here. As you can see, got a couple good clips, but let's cue the intro real quick. Welcome back, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the little intro I made. It took me a very long time to do that video because there's a couple things to talk about before we get into the video. Right now it's almost March 2026. The videos you're about to watch were recorded back in November 2024. If you're wondering why I'm bringing it back now, the video got copyrighted a while ago because of the audio that I used. It was through a subscription based platform and I canceled it, and they copyrighted me for that video. So we're bringing it back and we're doing it right this time, so that way a lot of you guys can watch this video, because of where I'm at, there's a lot of you guys out there with jet skis that you go fishing off of on the East Coast. So a lot of the people that you guys watch are on from Florida, Texas, Oregon, California. They're everywhere else where all the good fish are, where they don't have to travel too far. Well, hopefully some of you guys are watching straight out of Carolina Beach, Myrtle Beach, Murrells Inlet, Charleston area. Those are the places I'm going to be fishing off of or fishing around, and showing you guys that you can do it without traveling too far, or can catch dinner without traveling too far. But anyways, I'm going to jump right into this video real quick because there is a little backstory. I hit the lows of the low of my life ever around this time. A week prior to this video, I saw the weather was great this weekend, a week out, and I was like, you know what, I'm going fishing because I gotta get my mind off of things. Hit up a couple guys, 3 of them decided to join me. As you can see, I got 2 in the background right there, and then I'm gonna turn it around and we have a 3rd guy. So it was 4 of us total running out of here. Completely unexpected what we're going to catch today. We heard there was still Blackfin Tunas in the area, so we decided to go and try, and I caught 1 extra fish that I was not expecting to catch. But I knew they were there. But without further ado, though, that's all I really wanted to talk about. I will be doing some maintenance videos on my Sea-Doo Fish Pro. It's a sport. If you have any other Fish Pros or even the GTI or GTXs, but if you have the 1630 Ace engine, I'm going to be doing the oil, the spark plugs, carbon seal, the wear ring, because I did lose a little bit off my miles per hour, so I have some damage to my wear ring, possibly the impeller too. But if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe to follow along with future videos. But yeah, let's get right into it. Hope you guys enjoy. Alrighty guys, what's going on? Welcome to the channel today. It is a very cold Sunday morning. It's currently November 24th, 2024. So Sunday, it's 5:15 in the morning. We're about to head over to this Waffle House, get some food real quick, and it is freezing. It's 45 degrees down here in Murrells Inlet, but we're gonna try to get warmed up. I don't know how we're gonna manage the ride out because we're going 60 miles out today on jet skis, and it's supposed to be perfect this morning, and then the wind picks up around 2-3 o'clock. I'm gonna check the weather one more time before we leave, but it is cold. Alrighty guys, we are on the water on the Murrells Inlet. I got 2 guys back there. I got 1 guy right over here. We're about to hit 54 miles out there. I'll show you. I won't show you the coordinates, but I'll see the map guy that's going back in there. But we are shooting out 54 miles today. It's a super calm day. Hopefully it's a great day. They said there's a lot of Blackfin Tuna out there, so we're gonna get out there and try to do something. It's a beautiful day, man. Alrighty guys, so we have made it out to the Gulf Stream. We are 54-ish miles out, and we're gonna try to catch this thing. Alrighty, so I got me a Battle 3 10,000 reel on a custom rod that I built, and we're gonna be jigging for some good stuff. A lot of marks right below us, so let's see what we can get going. Alrighty, both cameras are on. We got situated now. I got a drift line going for a tuna / king mackerel and all that. I've got a jig I'm about to drop down, and I've got a rod. That's a big boat back there, but it's starting to get a little rough out here, so we'll try to make something happen quick. I've got a rod for a grouper and all that, but I'm gonna drop a squid on it and try to get some live bait and drop back down. I think we're gonna make it happen. Alright, I'm about to send this 8-foot rod or 10-foot rod out with a cigar minnow on it. This is gonna be my drift line. See if we can catch some tunas or king mackerel. We're drifting that way, so I'm throwing it that way. This is actually drifting faster than me, so get the drag set. If there's something out there, it'll take it in no time. In the meantime, we're gonna drop a takedown. Got the dinner stealer coming right up to the jet ski. Dude, that's a big shark. Well, it's not a big shark, but it's a decent sized shark. Oh, I'm getting a bite. I'm getting a bite. I'm no doubt getting a bite. They were tugging at it. Oh, come on. Let's go! No, I lost it! They were tugging at it. Oh, come on. Let's go! No, I lost it! Oh no! I think I pulled it too quick. Oh no, that had to be a shark. That had to be a shark, no doubt. I don't know what to cut it though. Try it again. Listen, they are out there. I want to say that was a shark, but even if it was a shark, this is still leader. And it bit it a good ways up, so it was either a king or a shark, but we'll see. So it's just a simple cigar rig, or it's just a simple cigar minnow. I like to put one through the head, right next to the eyes and nostril, and the other one as far as I can go on the tail. Not really as far about. You can kind of see where it is. Just give that good distance away from it. But no, we're gonna toss this thing back out and get it back out there. Man, I hate to. I want to know what that was, but it is what it is. We'll set the drag down a little bit so that way it can run. As much as I want to listen to my music, I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm just gonna deal with it being in silence. Man, I want to know what took that.
Let's see if we can get it back on the line though.
Yeah, we got one. There we go.
That's a decent size. Beeliner. I think that's out of season. Pretty sure it's out of season. It's a nice size too. Actually, I'm gonna keep it in the water for a second. I'm pretty sure I got the regulations loaded on my map. Figure it out. As much as I want to keep this thing, it's not legal right now. So if I can get out the hook. Love these circle hooks, but it's a nice size one. Keep it going. Wasn't paying attention. Oh, it's still there though. There's no way they took out the bait. There we go. Oh, that's a nice one. That is a nice one. Yes. It might be another beeliner, but it is a nice one. Dang. Whatever it is, it's fighting good. Oh. What is this? Dude, it is fighting good. Oh, there's a shark. Oh, this freaking shark done ate half my snapper. Dang, I got sharked. Might as well finish the rest of it. Jeez. Swallow the hook and everything. No, the current is not that bad. The wind is not that bad. We're drifting pretty slow. There we go. Gotta get look quick before these sharks come. Got one? Yeah. I think it's a vermilion. Yep. Kind of small though. I don't think it's gonna cut it. Huh? Vermilion? Too small though. You can kind of tell the difference between a vermilion and a snapper though. Snapper fights. Even the little ones, the ones that just got sharked a minute ago, they fight. But no, the vermilions, they come up quick. Oh, mahi's in. There's mahis. Dude, they're everywhere. The mahis are everywhere. Yeah, they're right here. Look, they're right here in front of me. There's the whole school. They're going back that way right now. They're heading towards you. Something on. It came on as I reeled in. Another small vermilion. Jeez. It's too small. Gotta throw it back. Either another vermilion or a trigger. Fights like a vermilion though. Yep. It's a decent sized one. It's not as chunky though. Pretty sure these are 12 inches. I'll double check. Even if it is 12 inches, I know there's chunkier ones out here. Honestly, I'm actually hitting the hot spot too. Go back down, see what we got. Dang, they take quick. There we go. It's a decent size one. I'm pretty sure it's another vermilion. Yeah. I might have to start taking some of these smaller ones so that way I actually at least have something to take home. Not 12 inches though. About jabbed the hook through my fingernail. Well, if something interesting happens other than these small vermilions, I'll bring you guys back. Alright, so it's not looking too good today. It's calm, it's great. I mean, a day fishing is better than a day in the office. So. But no, earlier I was talking about like, oh, I'm going through a little rough time, so this is getting my mind off everything. But even if nothing good happens today, I can at least say I took my jet ski out to the Gulf Stream out of Murrells Inlet. I'm actually at one of the spots some of the charters go to. I don't know the other spots, so we're just kind of cruising around here. A lot of small stuff, but there was mahis around. I wouldn't mind landing a shark. Definitely want a king though. This is one of the points I caught the king at. So, oh, we got a bite. Let's go. This might not be a king. Let's go! Come on. Come up here. This is great. This might be a tuna. I don't think this is a king. We got a tuna! Let's go! Yeah! Come on. You know what? I'm gonna just sling that thing in the boat. Hope we don't lose it. Come on. Come on. She really needs the gaff. But this rod is so long, it's hard to gaff it. Blackfin tuna! But this rod is so long, it's hard to gaff it. Blackfin tuna! Let's go! I got me a blackfin tuna! Woo! Man, that's exciting, dude. Check out this beautiful blackfin tuna. First one on the jet ski ever at the Gulf Stream, 60 miles offshore. Whew. Exciting, beautiful. Oh no, we almost lost it, but beautiful fish. We're gonna get in the cooler. I'm gonna tell you guys, just that fish alone has made my day 100 times better. Not only was it just a big fish, it was a tuna. It was a blackfin tuna I was looking to catch a few weeks ago. Finally could do it. I'm excited. We got the rod back out. Let's see if we can catch another one. Man, out of season. It's a nice size beeliner too. We got something big! Woo! Bite number 2 on the drift line. It's a oh my god. Both rods are going at it. I ain't gonna worry about the other rod. God, I did dig my nail into the freaking reel though. Oh my god. Oh my god. It was at the boat too. Nope, it's a tuna. Nope, it's a king. It is a king. Yeah. Come in. I missed. Woo! Come here. I missed. Oh, I don't want to get jabbed on my trouble hook. Oh. This rod was going at it. Something was on this one too. It still is. Vermilion. Actually, I think that's 12 inches also. My fingernail hurts. My fingernail's bleeding. See, that's 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a 12 incher. Let's go. Some dinner. Oh, the day could not get any better. Man, I was about to upload some pictures of the tuna too. My jet ski's full of blood. The adrenaline that kicks in when you catch these kind of fish. Oh man, my fingernail is gonna hate this in the morning. But you know what? We got a big fish in the boat. The adrenaline, it's off the charts right now. Cool beans. Let me show you this thing. Man, best day ever, I'm telling you that. I'm gonna get my kill bag out. I'm gonna put this thing in the bag. I unfortunately don't have extra ice, so it's just gonna sit in the bag for now. But yeah, can't beat like a day today, I'll tell you that. Hope you guys can see me well, but this thing's still loading up. should still grab. Oh, now it's loaded up. So going in, there's Belky Bear that everybody knows. 54 miles. That's how far we are right now. We're about to head back in though, because all the locals are going in. I don't want to find out where they're going in, so.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoy that video because it is 3 o'clock in the morning and I gotta get up at 8 to go to work at 9. So I hope you guys know how dedicated I am to this. But big things coming to 2026. I didn't spend over $1,000 on a PC, computer setup, microphone setup, just to let it sit there. So we are going to try to pump out a bunch of videos this year. Definitely like and subscribe if you like this video. There's going to be more content like this coming soon. But I don't want to say this was the best day ever. It's probably the second best day ever because the first day was a tuna, king mackerel, and a grouper all on the same day. So if it wasn't for just the 2 fish, this would probably be the best day. But hopefully in 2026, we can make more days that will top off both days, this day and the other day I had. So definitely feel free to leave a comment down below if you want to team up. I mostly go down to Murrells Inlet from Charlotte. I do go to Wilmington and Carolina Beach every once in a while, and then I'm planning to go to Charleston this year and probably a couple trips down to Florida a couple times. I do want to go to Destin sometime towards the end of summer where the Blackfin Tunas are moving again and it starts to cool down. It starts to become a ghost town around Destin, so definitely reach out to me down below or try to email me. It should be somewhere in my account, and I'll try to check it every couple of days to see if anybody's interested. But don't look up to me to try to tell you how to fish though, because I'm not a pro fisherman. So fish at your own risk. I'm just there to be your moral support. So catch you guys in the next one.